We have Kibana installed on our machine, and we have also configured it so that we can pull the data from Elasticsearch and create some visualizations. Okay, so next we need to start the Kibana daemon, and then we can open a browser and just start using Kibana. Okay, so let's bring the terminal. Make sure your Elasticsearch daemon is working before you start the Kibana. Okay, we can do that by JPS. So in my machine, Elasticsearch daemon is already working. So I just need to start the Kibana, and I can do that by just entering Kibana ampersand. I want it to run in the background. Okay, so enter. Now let's open the browser and go to this URL, localhost port 5601. Okay, so it's starting Kibana. All right, so you have successfully started Kibana on your machine, and in next lesson we will start creating data visualizations. Okay, I'll see you in the next class.